Dorisha and you're watching English with Dorisha. 2023 is almost gone and 2024 is just around the corner. So what do? We basically make some of the New Year's resolutions. And what is that? If you don't know about it, we give the promises and oath to ourselves to be hitting the target and the goals for the next year, 2024 especially. So I'm going to give you a cool strategy in this video which I personally use, and it can help you improve the cycle you make of accomplishing all of those little goals that you have to do on 2024. But before that, I'm going to give you a little shout out and a surprise for you. It's a special one, so just come here and be all ears. So the surprise is that I've created recently the New Year's resolutions spreadsheets, which is all about your goals. You're going to write it down. You will be having some of the headings, and then you're going to follow them, so it will be easy for you to follow it throughout the whole year. And this is a little bit of a treat for you. It's completely for free. Get it? The link is in description. You can just click it. You'll go to my website, just splurge it a little bit, and then also look into my special treat, and which is New Year's resolution spreadsheet. So go ahead for that, and it will help you staying focused in your goals and creating those. So let me give you this strategy that I personally use, and I want you to use it as well. So we have some of the tasks which are always popping up in our mind, and when we do the New Year's resolution, sometimes we forget, sometimes we get lazy, sometimes we cannot keep up the promise, what we do with ourselves personally. So we have to take some of the sticky notes, just take it and then write all of the New Year's resolutions and then stick it all around your house, so wherever you go, you'll remember that you have to keep up with the promise. And for example, staying hydrated, drinking 10 to 12 glasses of water per day could be a challenging task and could be forgettable as well. So what you have to do is that write all on the sticky notes and then stick it all around your house, all about your New Year's resolutions and all about your goals that you have to follow day to day, going to yoga, staying hydrated, or doing the meditation, whatever. So you're going to write, and that's going to be a great help for you. Go ahead for that. It's personally what I use, and I want you to use as well. So basically, it could be rewarding and challenging doing all of it over and over again throughout the whole year. So what do we have to do? I have another cool tip for you that you can follow, and what I follow as well. When we get the burnout, when we feel lazy, so what do? Well, we basically stay away from all of the work and even the goal. We start putting it off, and all of the goals are just scattered all around in our head, and we don't really feel like doing it and following them. So another cool advice that you could follow is that when you have all of those goals in your head and they're always popping up and you don't know where to start, if you ended it at the time and throughout the whole year, in the middle of the year, whenever you ended it, you don't feel like starting it again. You have to think one most important thing, and that is what I'm doing. Well, you have to give the answer of it. Just ask this question again and again. What am I doing? And then give the answer of it. I am postponing. I am putting off all of the goals. Then give another question to yourself, and that would be that, am I comfortable doing that? Just ask it over and over again. Then when you feel like no, yes, all of it, it depends on you. And then the third question that you have to ask, whatever I'm doing, is it gonna help me? Just think about it for a moment and then give the answer of it if you could possibly do it, and then do it again and again throughout the whole year. And whenever you feel like that you have to stop, so you have to do it. And you have to think of one important thing. All what you're doing is just for yourself and no one else. You're being kind just for yourself to build up your personality. You're staying hydrated just for yourself to give the great protection of your immune system and just be relaxed while doing it. You're doing all of it for yourself and just think it over and over again. And that could be a possible good help for you. And by this, I'm wrapping up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, don't forget to avail your free New Year's resolutions spreadsheet. So get it. The link is in description. It's completely for free. Go ahead to my website, explore it a little bit, and then move to getting a completely free worksheet by me. It's a gift by me. I am waiting for you there.